Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Miniverse made from scratch. This is the Choco Pistachio Cupcakes. These are a lot of fun. There's what, 15 I think, to make. And we've done the lavender cupcakes, and this is the other one in the series. And the flowers look really cute. So, the instructions. We're going to mix some ingredients and pour them. Wait over an hour and 15 minutes, and then we could take the cupcakes out. We have to decorate them and then let them sit for at least 20 minutes or longer. So I really like this series. It does not contain resin, but apparently it will shrink over time, the stuff that you make. I haven't experienced that yet, but it also hasn't been much time, so I'll have to report back. But I do like that it doesn't have resin. Still very realistic looking and lots of fun. So there's our pistachio frosting, cupcake liners. What else do we have? Oh, chocolate syrup. Probably what we're gonna mix with the cake batter there. And our bowl. This is a color we've gotten already. I think there's just two. It's this color and like a, kind of like a mint green. Spatula. And the plates that go in. Oh, that's cute. So we're gonna build a little display case to put these in, to put the cupcakes in. Very cool. So let's clean up and get to making this since it's gonna take forever. All right, so we have our chocolate cake mix that we're going to open. Oh, it's red or pink looking. Wasn't expecting that. So dump all of that into the bowl. I think last time when I made cupcakes, it made, I'll say exactly enough, but I think I did scrape the bowl really well and it made like one extra. If I'm recalling correctly, I could be wrong about that. Okay, then we're gonna add our chocolate sauce, chocolate syrup. Oh, that's cool. The other stuff we've added has looked like melted butter or oil before. So this is the first time it's been brown. And you add all of the contents in there. And then you're gonna mix it for about a minute. Comes together pretty quickly. You just wanna make sure there's no like lumps or anything in there. So even though it looks ready now, I'm still gonna continue to stir it. And just like I would a regular cake, kind of scrape down the sides. And it should be ready. So this is the pan I used last time. It's literally the exact same. And you're going to fill it decently high. I feel like it could be a little bit higher than that. But be careful to not overfill it, or else you'll have to clean it up a bit and scrape it down, which is what I did last time. Whoa! Some of them I've seen where it looks like they rise when they do like a stop motion type thing, but mine didn't rise, I don't believe. I'll let that drip in there. But yeah, do have extras, so I'm gonna make a sheet cake. I have a cake one from last time, and that's what I did. I poured it in here and let it cure, and then my daughter made like these little cake bars with the leftovers, and it was super cute. So I'll let her do that again. And she topped them with like icing and cookies that we made from the other sets in this series. So I will set a timer and I'll be back in over an hour and we'll see how they look. Okay, it's been an hour and 15 minutes, and what I'm gonna do is pop these out and then let them sit for more time, because last time, yeah, see, they're not really, they're like wet at the bottom. So I'm going to probably let them set upside down like that. Because they feel pretty dry on top, It's just that bottom part. And this is not releasing as nicely as they did last time. So popping those out, let them set at least probably 20 more minutes, maybe longer. I'll see how they feel. And then we can probably go ahead and build the tray. See how easy or difficult that'll be. All right, let's take a look at these. Should be pretty self-explanatory. The thicker one, you can tell by the picture, is the base. And then this slides right down into it. Could only go one way. And this is going to flip this way so it could slide into those side pieces. And then you just insert the plates. And when it's all snapped together, it's decently sturdy. I mean, those are gonna fall out if you turn it sideways, but I think that's cute. It's a different design than what we've seen in the past, and the plates have like little speckles on them to kind of give it like a stone or maybe like a granite look. It's pretty cute. All right, I'll be back in a little bit and we will decorate and put these cute poppy flowers on top of the cupcakes. I let these sit for longer than the 20 or 30 minutes I anticipated. I think it's been like over an hour. I just wanted them to feel dry, and they still have like a sponginess to them. It feels very much like real cupcake or like a sponginess. It's not going to get hard by any means, but it's not like wet and fragile like it was earlier. So let's put the tip on. They did give us a star tip so that it'll make a design. I actually have a couple extra tables over here, so I'm going to try to spread them out. And from last time, what I did is I tried to go as close to the edge as possible. I think it looks better like that. And I don't necessarily think you have to do it very perfect, because you have a flower that you can kind of press on top, and the flowers are different colors and sizes. So let's do this tiny one. I'm just going to put it kind of like at an angle, but right on top. I think that's very cute. I like the color combo there. Hard part is trying to set it down and not touch the icing. Okay. Next one. And sometimes the icing or frosting sticks to the cupcake fairly well in most cases. Oops. That was a big one. Let's put that kind of just on top. Should probably be using my tweezers, but I'm not. Angling them just slightly. And then you should have some leftover icing left. So if you poured extra cupcakes or sheet cake like I did, you can use that to ice it. Gonna let my daughter decide what to do with that. It is pretty much batter left over. If you had an extra one of these, you could definitely make more cupcakes. You just wouldn't have the flowers to put in them. But that would probably look cool too, if you had some plain ones and then some with the flowers. All right, one left, and then we will let these set for at least 20 minutes to dry. This one has a tiny flower, it's super cute. I might take a toothpick and kind of fix that. Didn't like how that looked, but you can look them all over. I just stuck my finger in it. Awesome. Look them over and then let them dry. So here's how they look. They still have like that sponginess consistency, but they're not going to stick if you touch them. So let's go ahead and put them on this little tray, which can prove to be difficult because they're tiny. Last time, the other one, the tray wasn't as tall, and so it was hard for me to get my cupcakes in there because I made the icing really tall. But this one is a lot more wide. Cool, so that happens. Probably shouldn't be holding it in the air. It was just about done too. I kind of wish it was all one piece, but I do guess it's nice that you could take it out in case you want to use those dishes for something else. All right, there we go. That's how they look. I think they're pretty cute. For this series, I think I give this like an 8 or 9. I've done quite a lot of these, so if you want to see me make any of the from scratch or any of the previous series, check out my channel, and I will be collecting more because I still want to find that panda cake. That looks really cute. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.